Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make landing gear in SpaceFlight Simulator. First, let's look at the essential components. You'll primarily use dedicated landing legs, which are designed to absorb impact. Some designs might also incorporate wheels for mobility on a planet's surface. Remember, strong structural parts are key to securely attaching these components to your rocket or lander, ensuring they can withstand the forces of landing. Now, let's talk about attaching your landing gear. It's vital to place them symmetrically around your craft's center of mass to prevent tipping. Aim for at least 3 points of contact for optimal stability on uneven terrain. For heavier vessels, consider using 4 or more legs. Always connect them to sturdy structural parts, like fuel tanks or main body sections, to distribute the landing forces effectively. Once attached, proper configuration is crucial for a stable landing. Extend your landing legs enough to ensure your engines clear the ground by several meters. A wider stance, with legs spread far from the center, significantly improves stability, especially on sloped surfaces. If your landing gear has suspension settings, adjust them to absorb impact effectively, preventing your craft from bouncing or tipping over upon touchdown. Finally, thorough testing is essential. Take your craft to a flat, low-gravity environment like the Moon for initial test landings. Observe how your vessel behaves upon touchdown. Look for any wobbling or instability. Based on your observations, make small adjustments to leg placement, angle, or extension. Repeat this process until you achieve consistently smooth and stable landings, ensuring your craft can safely touch down anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.